When taking Freeze Dried Acidophilus Capsule, follow the label directions for your specific product to see if it should be taken with or without food or liquids. Also, refer to the label directions to see if the dose should be swallowed whole, chewed, sprinkled onto food, or mixed with liquid. If you have any questions, consult your doctor or pharmacist. If you are using this product for diarrhea due to antibiotics, do not use for more than 2 days or if you have a high fever unless directed by your doctor. If your condition lasts or gets worse or you think you may have a serious medical problem, seek medical help right away. If you experience an increase in stomach gas while taking Freeze Dried Acidophilus Capsule, this side effect usually goes away with continued use. However, if it persists or worsens, it's important to notify your doctor or pharmacist. If your doctor has prescribed this medication, they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Many people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. Contact your doctor immediately if you experience any serious side effects, such as signs of infection or a serious allergic reaction. It's important to seek medical help right away if you notice symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, including rash, itching/swelling, dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's essential to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice any other effects not listed here, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. In the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before taking Freeze Dried Acidophilus Capsule, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies, especially to milk/lactose products. This product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other issues, so it's important to discuss this with your pharmacist. Additionally, it's important to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history, especially if you have had diarrhea lasting more than 2 days, a weakened immune system, stomach problems, recurring vaginal infections, or recurring urinary tract infections. If you are planning to have surgery, it's crucial to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. Lastly, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, be sure to consult your doctor before using this product. As always, it's important to discuss any concerns or questions with your healthcare provider. When taking Freeze Dried Acidophilus capsules, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. These interactions can affect how your medications work and may increase your risk for serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Always consult with your doctor before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines while taking Freeze Dried Acidophilus capsules. If someone has taken too much Freeze Dried Acidophilus capsule and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical attention. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canadian residents can call a provincial poison control center. This product should only be used by the person it was prescribed or recommended for. Do not share this product with others. If you forget to take a dose of Freeze Dried Acidophilus capsule, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, skip the missed dose and take your next dose at the regular time. Do not take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Make sure to check the storage information on the package and don't hesitate to ask your pharmacist if you have any questions. It's important to keep this medication out of reach of children and pets, so avoid storing it in the bathroom. When it comes to disposing of the product, don't flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed. Instead, make sure to properly discard it when it's expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.